Okay, yeah, you just tell him to calm down. I'm gonna try to call you on.
Don't.
Call the cops! Call the cops! Willie stole $400 from me. Or you did. Or you did. Call the cops!
Don't you dare.
Call Willie. Call the cops. You know what? I wasn't pre...
You're not yourself right now, Dan.
No shit. Who fucking cares?
I do.
Why?
Because we do.
No, you don't.
You've been here
You
a
never
long
have.
time. Yes, I do.
You never have.
How do you know that?
Because.
What's wrong, man?
Where's fucking Willie at? Are you there, Willie?
He's taken something or done something.
He's telling that, say you stole $400.
I don't care. I don't fucking care anymore. You
He
know how
might have
nice
taken
I been,
something.
you guys?
That guy's getting him shit.
The guy's giving him, the guy that's in there has given him stuff.
I am not high or anything. I have not done anything.
Okay,
Somebody
let me
stole
get in
from
front
me.
of you. Don't put your hands on
Don't
me.
lecture me.
I'm
and
not
don't
gonna
give
lecture
me this
you.
shit. Okay? I'm sick of all you guys.
I know that.
I'm sick of the new guy. I love
There, you
you
just
guys.
said it.
I've tried so much, Sue.
You just said it. And
Sue, I can't stand her here anymore.
then you have to say something to your worker.
I don't have. Fuck. He doesn't. All he says is, "I'm sorry." You guys treat me like shit. I try so hard.
Well, Dan, it's
You know what?
we try to make it better for you
Oh,
by
fuck you guys.
teasing you.
Teasing me. Well, why tease me, man? I'm a
Well,
grown-ass
sometimes you
man.
laugh.
I try.
Ricky tries to get you to
I
laugh.
love Ricky,
So there you go.
but it's not Ricky.
Okay.
I mean, sometimes your shoes untied, whatever. But it's not that. I'm sick of this bullshit. Somebody stole $400 right out of my fucking wallet. Come on. Call the cops if you want.
no, it's
Somebody stole $400 right out of my wallet. And you know what? I wasn't planning on this or anything, but I'm sick of the bullshit here. And I don't even know why I try.
I get that. Okay? We all do. Okay? This new guy is a piece of shit.
Yeah, but that doesn't make any difference.
I'm
It's always going to be somebody. It's always going to be something.
Are you guys gonna go back in?
I don't give a shit.
he does.